Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tayyib,
Yes,
let me tell you how to drink water. What is the topic?
how to drink
How
water.
to drink water. So, point number one is first of all, we will recite tasmiyah. What? Recite
Recite with me.
tasmiyah. Tasmiyah is, you know very well. What is tasmiyah?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Good, mashallah. This is the rule number one of drinking water. Okay. Then the next rule number two is by sitting. Okay.
Dissecting.
Sitting on the
Okay.
chair or on the bed or anywhere, but by drink water by sitting. Okay. Drink water by sitting. Do not stand up while drinking. Okay. And
Okay.
number three rule is drink the water in the light. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Do not drink the water in the darkness. Okay. Number
Why?
because maybe something is in the water, maybe some particles, little particles, and if we drink the water in the darkness, so they are not visible, and if we drink same like this, so maybe it's harmful for us. That's why some harmful particles may be in the water sometimes. Okay, it's not compulsory, but sometimes it happens. So that's why always drink the water in the light, and also while drinking, before drinking, you will have to look the water clearly and carefully. If it has something, so do not drink in. If the drink the water, if it has nothing and the water is clear and pure, you can drink it. That's why. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, then next number four rule is make little three sips minimum, and you can make maximum, no problem, but make them little. Okay.
Okay.
Number four done, and number five point is very important. Do not waste the water. Okay.
Okay.
And in the last, number six rule is in the end, when you will finish, you will have to say Alhamdulillah. It means say to thanks Allah Almighty. We will say Alhamdulillah. Okay,
Okay.
got it? You will have to memorize these six rules of drinking water. Okay, beta?
Okay.
Good, mashallah. Excellent, good job. This star is for you, mashallah. Jazakallahu khaira. We'll see you inshallah tomorrow. Remember me in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Say wa alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.
Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.